Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create this zoom and angle transition effect for your photos on CapCut. So first you need to add a photo to CapCut and then just go to animation and then select the zoom one. Okay, and set it for 0.8 second. And after that, go to overlay and add your second photo. Okay, and put it slightly behind like this. And zoom it out like this. So make it small and I'm going to put it in here. And then after that, go to mask. Okay, you can just make it short first. And add a keyframe at the beginning and go to mask. Now select rectangle and you need to make it thin, so I'm going to go like this, make it thin so it doesn't visible on your clip like this. And then after that, click on the check icon and move forward a bit in here and add another keyframe. Go to mask again and bring back the photo to its normal size, so like this. Click on a check icon and now go in between the keyframe and go to grabs, then select the ease out one. Click on a check icon and now go to overlay. So go back, go to add another overlay. So this time add a black image in the overlay like this and fit the size so it cover all of your clips. Make it short and then go to blend and lower the opacity into around 50. Click on a check icon and now go to layer, then select one. Okay, and now still on the overlay, here on the overlay photo, go to animation, combo, and now select the angle one. Okay, this one, click on a check icon and now click on the main photos and split it to where the transition ends. So in here, split it and delete the rest of them and also the black overlay. So it will go like this. And then after that, click on the plus icon on the main track and add another image. Okay, and in here still you need to add the same image as the overlay. Okay, and put it under the black overlay. So in here, so on the overlay, go to animation and now combo and select the angle to animation. Click on the check icon and now go to mask. Here on the overlay, go to mask, rectangle, and then make it thin like this. Okay, click on the check icon. I'm going to put it under in here. And now go to the video effects. Opening and closing. Then select halo blur. Adjust the speed 15 and intensity 40. Click on the check icon and put it under the second photos and click on object and make sure that it applies to all videos. And now you are basically done, but you can also add a white overlay to the second image. Okay, so here is the result. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click like, thanks, and also comment if you have any question, and subscribe. Bye.